Good morning, dear students. Now, let's begin with a new chapter of civics, electoral politics. Do you know what this chapter is going to deal with? It is going to deal with election system in India. Now, let's begin. In a democracy, people do not govern directly. They govern through the elected representative. Governing through elected representative in the most common form of democracy. This chapter will develop understanding about election of representatives, need of elections, and how to make election democratic. It also involves examining the role of election commission. Now, let's begin with elections. It is the mechanism or procedure by which people choose their representatives at regular intervals is called election. It means by which we choose our representatives to run the government is election. Now, let's discuss about the procedure of elections in our state, Haryana. Haryana had been ruled by Congress party since 1982. At that time, Chaudhry Devi Lal was an opposition leader. He led movement called Naya Yudh. New party was formed named Lok Dal. In election campaign in 1987 assembly election, Devi Lal promised voters that if his party wins, he would waive loan of farmers and small businessmen. As people were unhappy with the existing government, they were attracted by Devi Lal's promise. They voted in favor of Lok Dal and its partners won 76 out of 90 seats. Lok Dal won 60 seats alone and thus had a clear majority in the assembly. Congress got only 5 seats. As the election result was announced, the existing chief minister of Congress resigned. The newly elected members of Legislative Assembly of Lok Dal chose Devi Lal as their leader. The governor invited Devi Lal to be the new chief minister. After 3 days of election result, he took oath. Then his government issued a government order waiving the outstanding loans to small farmers, agricultural laborers, and small businessmen. Lok Dal ruled the state for 4 years. In 1991 election, party did not won people's support. This time, Congress won the election and formed the government. So children, with this you can see that if the people are not happy with the existing government, they can change the government in the next election and choose the party which they like and which they will fulfill. Elections are needed to elect representatives. In most democracies, people rule through their representatives elected by them. The elections are needed for any representative democracy because they solve problem of assembling people on the basis of education, knowledge, or experience. They help in analyzing the people like their representatives or not. They ensure that the representative rule as per the wishes of the people and make sure that those who are not working for the people do not remain their representatives. In an election, the voter makes many choices, like they can choose who will make laws for them. They can choose who will form the government and take major decisions. They can choose the party whose policy will guide the government and lawmaking. It means the elections are needed for choosing the new party and new candidate who fulfills and sees the requirement of the people and fulfill them. So, above we have read about what is the need of elections. You can see in the given photographs the need of elections.